Hi guys and welcome to Simply Scuba. So you got your brand new wetsuit home, but you're not quite sure if it fits or not. So in this video, we're going to take a close look at how to make sure that your wetsuit fits. Okay, so when you have your wetsuit on, the first check is to take a knee and with the opposite hand, reach around and touch the back of your neck. As long as there isn't too much tension across the suit, then it fits you fine. Your cuffs need to be fairly snug, as these are the things that are slowing water from flushing in and out of your suit. You should still be able to get a couple fingers underneath it easily, but it should be flush with your wrist. You'll find on most wetsuits under the armpit there'll be some excess fabric, but this is fine. It doesn't mean that the suit is too big. You need a little bit of extra fabric in this area to allow you to stretch and move your arm in the proper direction. Your neck seal should be much the same as your cuff seal, fairly snug, but you can still get a couple fingers underneath, but you can always adjust it by the Velcro fastener around your neck. It needs to be snug so the water doesn't flush in, but not so tight that it can cut off circulation. Around your ankles will often overlap with your boots, but still you need to make sure that they're nice and snug. Same again, you can always fit 2 fingers underneath it to make sure it's comfortable. Unsurprisingly, your knee pads should go over your knees, so you got to make sure that you pull all of the fabric up so the knee pads are in the right position, and then keep going all the way up to your waist. This will help prevent water from moving around inside of your suit. Your wetsuit should allow you to move freely in all directions. The soft neoprene is nice and flexible, and the perfect wetsuit fit means that you should have a full range of motion. If it's too restrictive or too baggy, then your suit might not fit properly. So that was a quick look at how to make sure that your wetsuit fits. And because it's a wetsuit, the way that it works, the tighter the better. So they can be fairly snug. If they're too loose, then you're just gonna get cold. Thanks for watching and safe diving.